Hey, Brandon here again with Spangler Restoration. We're out here at a large loss in Raleigh. This is a loss we received in the middle of January. It's now the beginning of March. I'm here with Nate Mullins, our production manager for the Raleigh office and the project manager for this job. So far we've seen the emergency services, the contents, demolition, and mitigation. Nate, why don't you tell us a little bit about some of the things that happened since our last shoot and what we're coming up on next?
Before we actually get started, we actually have to go through the entire house and establish an accurate scope of work and work with that with the adjuster. And then we can start rocking and rolling on demolition, construction, and so forth. We have put on a new roof with new trusses and new shingles. After that, we went into the soot seal. And so we would clean all the framing members and then soot seal so that there's no more residual smell from the soot. And then from there, we went into our mechanical, plumbing, electrical rough-ins. We have just received our approval to move forward from the municipalities. So the next phase is hanging sheetrock, and the skim coating and mudding will be taking place as well. So after sheetrock, we install the trim. Sometimes the homeowners like to change up what they have. I like for them to put in what they want. And then from that piece, we will then paint. After paint, we will move right into installing our cabinetry. And after the cabinets are installed, we will move right into our granite template. About a week after that, we'll be installing granite tops. During our wait for our countertops, we'll be installing tile and floor coverings. We then move into our trim out of our electrical fixtures, plumbing fixtures, HVAC, getting it ready to turn the house back on. So the next phase is we'll actually go through inspections where the city will come back through and make sure everything has been installed accordingly and that we don't have any issues. And then we will bring in the homeowners and we will walk through the home and create a punch list of items that they want addressed before they move in the home. Probably the biggest challenge in this whole process is that the homeowners are out of their home. They're staying in places like apartments, hotels. Every moment that they're not in their home, the emotions and feelings, they're just bubbling. And so it becomes very tiresome for them. It's important to set realistic timeframes and schedules with the homeowners throughout this process. Another challenge to a project of this size is walking customers through making selections. Homeowners have to make selections for their entire home while we are in the process of rebuilding. Communication through this whole process is key. If I don't communicate effectively, that's when issues and problems come in. One of the things that I do to ensure success is I over-communicate. I like to hand out selection sheets for the entire house. A list helps simplify the whole process and keeps things organized.
Hopefully this provides some insight to you about how we at Spangler rebuild homes like these. We'll be back next time with the finished product.